Hello, everyone. This is Davy from Azoya. It's a pleasure to be here today and share about our most recent experiences and idea on WeChat. So we're a company founded in 2013, and over the years we have been helping international brands and retailers to enter the China market via cross-border e-commerce. We support our clients and cope with various challenges, including marketing, sales, localizations, and digital transformation. Today, my topic focuses on customer engagement in WeChat. I want to use this session to share with you what kind of things we've been doing at Azoya to successfully grow customers and revenue in WeChat for our clients, and what type of rules that you should follow, and so that you can achieve the best from your WeChat marketing activities. We want to start by introducing a new growth model. I'm sure that most of you are very familiar with the traditional growth hack model, AARR, which represent acquisition, activation, retention, revenue, and referral. In this model, the funnel starts with acquisition and end with the referral. Customers enter your store, they signed up, made a purchase, and generated revenue for the business. They would then share the experiences with their friends and family, hoping that it will incur new opportunities for the brands. KPIs are being designed around this funnel, and we most of the time focus on the return of investment of each marketing campaigns. The managers from different departments, they focus on their own narrow funnels. If anything goes wrong, they blame their partners not doing the job correctly. Even though that it's still very much important for the business, it's still a very important way to analyze the performance of e-com business. However, this model is being challenged by, the increasingly segmented traffic, increasingly expensive advertisement cost, and short attention from customers. Nowadays, customers just don't have enough time to read all of the contents you have, and the window to sell to a customer has become increasingly short comparing to a few years back. So in WeChat, you may need to think of a different way. The new model focuses on the retention first, and obviously, the customers may not make a purchase instantly. Retaining your customer within your reach, leveraging future campaigns to reactivate them will increase your longer-term ROI. And that's why it starts with retention, and then to activation and referral, and then to revenue and acquisition. So the new RARRA model is better suited in WeChat because obviously the chance of getting a direct high return on investment for any kind or forms of digital marketing campaigns in WeChat is becoming very small. Brands in particular hate to run promotions every day to encourage the purchase. It hurts the brand equity and devalue the brand. So in WeChat, brands should leverage both private traffic, which is on the right, and public traffic, which is on the left, to grow the business. Paid exposures and impressions from public traffic, for example, WeChat Moment ads, right on here, should find a way and go into your private traffic on the right, so that you don't have to calculate the return of investment instantly, but throughout the operation via the retention, you can do anything after that. Even though you can have a purchase from that exposure, you can still expect one to happen in future one. And it all comes down to customers. Focusing on the needs for your customers and design campaigns and activities around your customers are the key to achieve your retention goal and then to everything else. But how should business engage with customers and what to focus on? Here are some of the ways we do customer engagement in Azoya. So with years of customer engagement and community management via WeChat, we find that the following 8 rules are very important for the business. I'm going to quickly go over this slide and share with you our findings with some more examples. So rules number 1 is trust building. Enriched characters to build trust with the customer is the foundation. We build a personal for the brand, and that character has been enriched so that they have their own WeChat moments. So having such rich activities and characters will be able to make customer believe that it's a real person that's behind the avatar, and it's not a machine that they're talking to. The rules number 2 is incentive. It's easier to get customer interest via incentives, but also be careful about not to turning them into demanding customers that only buy when you're doing discount. Rules number three, understanding. Know your customer's background. And we do that by learning about the history of their purchase, their RFM model, the tags that we have in the system, so that when we're speaking to customer, we know about them instead of we treat them as a new customer um, or we say something that they don't like. The fourth rules is engagement. So talk and communicate with customers. Reach out to them and treat them as a human being instead of as a database entry. Rules number five, satisfaction. Make sure that customers are happy with the experiences that they have when they're shopping from you or talking with you. Rules number six, networking. Encourage networking and share of the contents will be very important for the business to actually grow socially and virally. Getting to the social network of customers requires a lot of work, but it shouldn't be a reason to stop brands doing that, because if you cannot get into their network, why do WeChat? Why do social commerce? Rules number seven, personalization. Customers expect to be treated special, and offer them personalized information and experience is very important to luxury business as well. Rules number eight, and perhaps the most important one, content. All activities in WeChat relies on the content, and investing compelling content that your customer will like and share will be beneficial to the business. So here are the 8 rules we have. It sounds a bit dry, but we can give you some more examples. The first example is FragranceNet. So FragranceNet is a multi-brand retailer based in US. It's one of US leading fragrance retailer with over 18,000 products covering fragrance, personal care, and beauty category. The key strategy for FragranceNet is twofold in WeChat. The first one is WeChat mini program, and the second one is WeChat work. Mini program enables FragranceNet to synchronize the full assortment to WeChat, and consumers can select and buy from the same product ranges from the US website. It can also do product seeding and educations. It also converts traffic from impression to purchase. WeChat Work is also deployed in WeChat so that we can use WeChat Work to offer one-to-one shopping guide service to the consumers. Obviously, consumers are overwhelmed by the amount of products they can have from the website. We use the WeChat Work account to create customer trust. It's an easy way to communicate with customers, and it offers personalized experiences to the customers in WeChat. There's a lot of things that FragranceNet offer to the users in WeChat that's exclusively only for WeChat. This includes things like new user coupons that's only available via WeChat, and Black Friday sales campaign page that's only visible to members from the WeChat work group. The strategy here is to offer them the exclusive incentive that's only available from WeChat. And we deliver such messages and promotions from different kinds of campaigns in WeChat, including WeChat Work, including WeChat official account, and also advertisement. FragranceNet also developed an affiliate model in WeChat, and this is helping the brand to really get into the network of the customers. Consumers that share the website or a campaign page or even a product page to the friends, and they can get a commission back if the customer buy the same products from them. The next case study is K11. K11 is China's first art mall, and they debuted a new mini program, K11 Go Hong Kong, to its K11 ecosystem. The customer engagement activities are being driven by localized e-commerce campaign, product recommendation, and one-to-one customer service. Consumers can get access to latest promotion, new arrivals, and even participate in some of the branded live stream campaign. K11 Go Hong Kong co-hosts live stream campaign with influencers from Little Red Book, Weibo, and other social media platforms, so that each campaign would have massive exposure than they can have only via offline stores. The campaign creates trust with the viewers, and as you can see that the live streaming takes place offline, held by a nice and friendly anchor. Prior to the campaign is launched, customers can get alert from group messages. They can launch discussion from team members, book campaigns in advance so that they won't miss it. Also, by doing storytelling by live stream, customer can learn about the products easier instead of from the static images from the website. The last case study is Bodyguard Apotheke. The pharmacy from Germany offers wide range of product selection from health and nutrition, beauty and cosmetics, mom and baby supplies. WeChat has taken an important role in the retailer's China strategy. Having entered to the market as early as in 2015, the retailer has accumulated massive customers in WeChat. And also WeChat offers the retailer multiple touch points to engage with their existing customers. They can do it via mini program for purchase, WeChat official account for content campaigns, and WeChat Work for custom engagement. The retailer held frequent live stream events, and they do it from Germany. The benefit of running campaigns from Germany is that customers will have the feeling that they're offering real and authentic products. Worrying about fake products is a big concern for most of the customers who like to buy from a trusted source. And live streaming is effectively solving that issue. The CEO of Bodyguard Apotheke also participated in some of the campaigns himself, talking to customers, learning about what they want to buy from Germany, and etc. We found such campaigns really performs better because it's really fun to watch and they can request deals directly from the owner of the business. To really understand your customers, simply from engagement data is probably not enough anymore. At Azoya, we break customers into over 100 data points, and we can learn about each customer's value to the brand, purchase behavior, categorical preferences, and also historical purchase from the merchant. The data is also synchronized to the dashboard of WeChat Work so that the team are better equipped when launching community campaigns. Taking a data-driven approach in customer engagement is a must-have nowadays because then merchant can really understand the performance of the campaigns. Leveraging data analytics, we can see what campaign works and what doesn't. If merchants know about what campaigns will work, they can even turn them into a workflow to improve the efficiency. That's the end of my presentation. I hope you have enjoyed it. You can follow our WeChat via scanning the QR code on the page and experience our work. Thank you.